Got it. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Okay. So when I first joined, my main concern was high cost per lead, right?
Exactly.
And I wanted to. You showed me the secret sauce, okay? And
Exactly.
then when you showed me the secret sauce, I applied the secret sauce. The only thing I didn't change creative, I didn't change copy, didn't change anything. Only thing I did was the structure, correct?
Perfect.
And and I'm seeing better results. So the reason why I didn't want to touch multiple variables is because I want to make sure that the one variable, the sauce, I don't want to give it away, that it works and it does work. Okay, so I want to
Perfect.
share my screen. I want to share my screen.
Go ahead. So
It's
how much
disabled.
drop in CPL you saw?
50%.
Perfect. Perfect. That's really amazing. 50% drop in just three classes. Just three classes.
And I didn't apply everything. I still need to work on creative and copy.
Just change the audiences the way I told you. You saw
That's it.
50% drop in CPL, and see, the moment you are going to, you can say, inject those ad copies, those creative sides, you will gonna blown away the entire ad account.
Yes.
Perfect. You made my day. He is doing very wonder, which you can see over here that he
Hmm.
does for this month alone, from you can say January till your, if I talk about February, is almost $129,000. We
Wow.
exactly, and he already got 35 win, which you can see we are using go high level for him.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, when you are in your middle of the funnel stage, you are going to see that 2%, 2, 3, very common in
Mm,
terms of frequency rate, which you're gonna see on your middle of the funnel. Very, very common. But if you are
mm,
noticing more than three, it is going on, that's a common sign that it's going under ad fatigue, and you need to consider refreshing your creatives. Use the same
I see.
creative, change the starting of the hook, something like that.
Mm,
Or
mm,
change the beginning of the ad copy and see how it's performing.
mm,
Okay? Another thing,
mm.
cost per message we are going to target in your filter. You want me to set the filter, or you know what I'm saying you right now?
I'm familiar, but I think um,
We did
I'll have
last time.
yeah, I can watch the video and I can redo it if it's
Perfect.
not there. It's okay.
If you are running messenger stuff, messenger ad, which we commonly do for our clients, and even though you can try the same thing with your father as well, this
Okay.
messenger ad. Okay, so what will gonna happen? You give them the offer. Just think about that. You give them the offer. They click on it. They like the offer. That's why you are getting massive CTR. The moment they click on that, what's gonna happen? They come in the messenger. You got the info, and automatically send them the booking link, which is your lender. Which
Mm,
is your lender. Just think about that.
yeah,
What I'm telling you. So
yeah,
ultimately, if they, you can say, booked the call, amazing. If not, I am saying, still you know who tried to connect with you in your messenger, so you can take the conversation from there while using the help of ManyChat. So
yes.
those automations you can use, okay, and even
Okay.
create a dedicated community for dental stuff. Another hack I'm telling you. The one client
Mm,
which I just showed you over there, this client for whom we scaled his business to $129,000 in last 2 months. We even told him the same thing which I'm telling you right now. Now we are done with your KPI indicator sheet which I set on my your end as well. Correct?
correct.
From now onward, on every single ad account that you are about to manage, you need to do it in this way. Perfect? Makes sense, buddy?
Perfect. Yes,
Makes
buddy.
makes sense?
Yes.
Perfect. This is our testing and scaling strategies which I shared over here. Okay? Which I shared over here, and there will be plenty of other things that will be on the way.